Who likes getting junk mail and bills in the mail? Not me. And I'm guilty of letting mine pile up almost as bad as that. I love getting mail from my artist friends, and I'm so grateful for all the happy mail that I've gotten from my artist friends in the past. So stay tuned for the art journal flip through of happy mail that I've gotten from my artist friends. Hi, this is Diana, and welcome to my studio. And if you enjoy mixed media, art journaling, acrylic painting, and more artsy stuff, then this channel is for you. Keep watching. So here is my finished Happy Mail art journal, and it's very thick. And I used some of the Happy Mail to decorate the cover of decorative napkins that I peeled apart, and you can see how thick it is. Very thick and bulky, but it's still great. I don't know, some people even think the bulkier the better when it comes to art/junk journals. So here on the first page is from Hanny Tromp, and I will link these are all YouTube artists, and I'm going to link their channels down below. And that was an artist trading card that I received from her, and then that's a postcard, so I made a pocket from the postcard. And then this is from Maryanne Mott, and her YouTube channel is Maryanne's Creative Mix. And these are some cards that they're handmade cards that she sent with that shiny green paper too, and some decorative paper like that I cut up and used already, so I had a little bit of strip of it left. This is from the YouTube artist Kylie Coo, and I've used a lot of her happy mail already in the past, so that was a handmade card right there, and I've made that a flip out, and that's handmade and hand designed, a little tag, and another tag that she had sent me in the mail in the past, and tucked inside a Halloween decorated card she created, and I made that into a pocket. And then the beauty of these manila envelopes, she also made that tag that had my name on it, and that decorated art tissue. And the beauty of these manila envelopes is that they create a lot of storage for more happy mail that I could use in the future and just other future projects. So that was decorated art tissue that she had created, and a band that can be used to hold things in place, and also a little plastic bag of buttons that can be used in different projects. And these two pages, I do not know. That's beautiful decorative cut paper, and I don't know who that came from. And this art is from Gina B, Ahrens, and those are little tiny envelopes. They're so cute. They're little tiny envelopes, and the flaps I was able to attach in there, and they're removable, and it's a rubber band that's holding that handmade card she made, along with the little envelopes. And those are collage papers she probably created from her original paintings. And then inside the pocket are some more collage papers that she had created. And when you unfold them, they're pretty large. That's not even unfolded all the way. I only unfolded it halfway. It's really larger than that. Let's see if I open this one up all the way. No. Beautiful collage papers. And then those ones in the envelope I can always use in future projects. Again, this is all Happy Mail that I had gotten from, and if you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for notice of future videos. So I used a rubber band and that's a handmade card, a rubber band as an extra place to be able to stick in that card, and that's beautiful embellishment with ribbons on it. And I used, that's a postcard she created of some of her original art as well. And I was a great tuck spot. And those feather prints are made from one of her handmade rubber stamps that she sent me. And that again is a postcard created from her original art. And I stamped those feather prints all around. And now here, I belonged to a friendship postcard swap last summer. And that's one of the postcards I printed on there. And the theme was friendship. So that word friendship had to be included somewhere on the postcard. And these are some of the postcards that I received. And these are a bunch of little tiny miniature stickers that I received from one of the people in the group. And I will try to use them sometime in the future. They're just the tiniest little stickers, and they're really cute. And those are wood embellishments. The hot air balloon and the heart, they're actually made of wood. And that envelope, that's a cute sticker somebody sent. I don't know all the individual names of all those women that were in the Friendship Swap postcard group. But here, she made that envelope out of a calendar page. And that was made with decorative napkin. If you peel apart the napkin, you can decoupage with it or collage with it. And this was from the YouTube artist Mike Deakin. He hosted an artist trading card swap that about 5 or 6 of us participated in for a whole year. So that card. And that's more decorative napkins. And that postcard was sent by Linda Simpson, who was another participant in our artist trading card swap. Beautiful card. And we basically did our artist trading card swaps on major holidays. So that one was, these cards were from Easter. But these are not artist trading cards. These were just cards that people sent as happy mail along with the swapping of their artist trading cards. And that's called a belly band. So it's not a pocket, it's not a tuck spot, but It's a band that's glued on so you can hold things in place. So this was for when we did the artist trading card swap for Valentine's Day. Beautiful artist trading cards. They're 2.5 by 3.5 inches. That's the standard size for artist trading cards. Also called ATCs. And that top one with the metal embellishment was from Mike Deakin. He created a really nice one and had a really nice label. That's the standard label that you put on the back of an artist trading card to label it. And I love how it fits right there on the clips right onto the heart right there. And that I have empty, so in the future that could be used for future Happy Mail. And that was for our Halloween artist trading card swap. Some really creative cards. And the pockets were made from cards themselves that came with the Happy Mail that came with the artist trading cards. And finally, that was for Christmas, our Christmas art trading card swap. So I will link the artists that I knew where our Happy Mail came from down below. And be sure, I'm gonna put a link down below to another video I have, a recent video I have of another art journal flip through. If you enjoy these art journal flip through, I have another recent one. I'm gonna link that video link down below and also put it in the iCard on the top right. You'll see it. You'll see it flash in the top right. Look in the iCard at the top right now and a link down below for how I created this art journal. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and will want to watch my other video, recent video of another art journal flip through. Not a Happy Mail art journal flip through, but of artwork that I've done over the years. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. And again, here is a link right now. Click on this link for the video of another art journal flip through I've done. Thank you so much for watching.